Mendalic acid is derived from bitter almonds. It's an AHA that's been mostly studied for use with acne. AHAs are natural and synthetic ingredients that provide skin care benefits ranging from exfoliation to increasing hydration and firmness. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY mendalic acid face pack. You will need 1 teaspoon almond powder. Almonds can be used as an exfoliator that helps the skin in getting rid of any impurities. It will remove dead cells from your skin. This will regenerate skin cells, thus brightening your skin. Half teaspoon honey. Honey draws moisture from the air and binds it to the skin. This added hydration gives the skin a fresh, youthful glow and suppleness, making fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. Honey also contains natural antioxidants that fight free radicals, one of the leading causes of premature aging. Add some milk to make a paste. Apply this paste all over your face and neck, leave it for 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with plain water. Products that contain mendalic acid trigger exfoliation, so regular use may result in a brighter overall complexion. Some people may see improvements in the appearance of wrinkles or age spots. Mendalic acid can also help with acne and reduce the appearance of acne scars.